Hi buddies, welcome to one more video here in the channel. Just a guy learning English, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to earn with the ySense service platform. Okay, this page will be in this video description, so all you have to do is click on it to be redirected to here where you can choose the option sign up. Okay, clicking here you will be redirected to the site ySense. Choose the option join now. Okay, you have to put your address before click on the join now option. Put your email address, choose a password, check the box, terms of use and privacy policy. Now click on join now. Okay, go to your inbox and click on the confirmation link. You have to do this if you want your registration is confirmed. After the registration, you can log into the system and you will see a page like this one. Okay, and here you will find some questions about your profile. All you have to do is answer this question. What type of accommodation have you stayed at during the last 12 months? Choose answer. Okay, hostel. Okay, answer this question and the main service will unlock. Okay, here I have a survey with a value of 5 cents. But when you answer the main survey profile, the other answers with more value will unlocked. Here I have a 62 survey value, 3.26, 4.50, and 62 cents. Here you have some offers to complete. You can choose one of them if you want, or if you want just answer service, you can use this style. There you have a affiliate program where you can earn money referring people, and here you have cash out to withdraw the money. The minimum amount to withdraw the money is $10 via PayPal account. Okay, this value may vary depending on the gift card you want to get. For example, Skrill, the minimum amount is 5.05 cents. PayPal is my favorite one, so I'm gonna choose PayPal to withdraw $10. I'm gonna click on get rewarded, and this window will appear, so I'm gonna confirm to receive the money. I'm gonna click the confirm option, and this message appeared to me. Congrats on your redemption. $10 have been deducted from your account for this purchase. We are currently processing your order. You will be notified via email when your order is ready. Ready to earn more? Okay. Now I will wait the money in my account. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked, and till the next one.